So here day 5 part 2 CSS box model mastery, borders and margin. Hey there CSS enthusiast, welcome back to Kredict. I am Krishna Sharma and today on day 5 we are diving deeper into our exploration of CSS box model. If you are ready to elevate your design game, hit subscribe. In this second part we will unravel the secrets behind borders and margin. So first we will recap from day 4, which is part 1 of box model. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the first part of the box model on day 4. We have explored the content and padding layer. If you missed it, make sure you catch up the build a solid foundation. So, introduction to border. The border layer of the box model is where we added structure and style to our elements. Borders can enhance this visual appeal and provide a clear distinguish between elements. Let's dive into various border properties and their application. So here we have a box. First we will make an index file. And for index file, for styling we will make a style.css, and we have to just link the style.css with HTML. In the head tag we will write link and just go to CSS and hover this, you will come to see here, and if we go here and we have this box, just copy this properties, and first we will make a box in the HTML file. So here we have div with a class name box, and in this style we have just to paste this. So in the box we have width of 200 pixel, height is 100 pixel, and padding is 20 pixel, and border width is 2 pixel, and border style solid, border color is green. So I will go to red. So if we see this, so sorry, let's first we have to go live the index.html. so here we have this border, so this is very large, I have to small this. So here we have this box with a border, so this is a power of border. So we can just use this in a single line. How? Just write border and give how much you want pixel, like 2 pixel, and we want solid of red color. So you can see here, so border is same with the red color. If I change the color, the border color will change. So if I give blue, you can see here the border color is blue. Let's move to next. So here we have creating a box with a solid 2 pixel border, enhancing its structure and creating a clear visual boundary. So next, understanding margin. Moving on to the margin layer. Margin defines the space around an element, influencing its placement in an overall layout. Let's explore how margin contribute to the box. So here we have this. So just copy the margin property and paste it in the border. So here we have give the margin of 10 pixel. If I make more boxes here, like we have a one box, if I give 5 boxes, so you can see here we have some spacing between the boxes. So this is a border, and after this have a margin. I hope you are getting this. So in this example we have added a 10 pixel margin around our boxes, defining the space between our element and nearby elements. Visualizing the complete box model. Let's visual this. So here we have this, just inspect and go to, first we will give the responsive size, and here we have, this is a box model. So this is our margin of document, whole document. First we will go to a box. So here we have single box and we will see its box model. Here we have this margin, you can see. Here we have this border, blue color, and here we have this padding, and in this we have a content. So let's go and write something in the content. So if I write anything like credit and lorem like 20, sorry, we have written the lorem wrong, lorem 20. So we have this content in this. So here we have this content, here we have this padding, here we have this border and margin. This is whole our box model. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. If grasping the concept of border margin and is refining your design skill, hit like and share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insight. Thanks for joining me today. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.